Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're reviewing Course Creation Warrior, a course building tool that combines software and training to help you launch and sell online courses with ease. Course Creation Warrior is aimed at coaches, consultants, and digital product creators. It helps automate the entire course setup process, including course structuring, sales funnel creation, and affiliate-based marketing strategy. Let's dive into the key features and how it works. Key features and benefits. The software allows you to add your payment links and convert leads into paying customers. Automatically generate high-converting sales pages and copy using AI. Leverage affiliate marketing instead of paid ads. You only pay affiliates after a sale is made. Learn how to structure your course in a simple and effective way. This means you don't have to figure out the course structure, page design, or marketing alone. Pros and cons. Some advantages include full business automation from course creation to launch. Simple to use with guided training. 30-day money-back guarantee. However, it lacks real-time customer support, lifetime access isn't clearly promised, and there's no demo video available. Pricing and offers. Here are the pricing tiers. Base version, $27. Two-part Launch Advantage Community, $98. Launch Booster, $97. The Hidden Files with 100 Done-For-You Kits, $67. You can complete your setup in just 14 days, and if it's not for you, you can request a refund within 30 days. User ratings and feedback. User feedback is generally positive. It scores around 4.2 out of 5. Most users liked the idea of marketing via affiliates, as it saves on ad spend and brings warm leads. Final verdict. If you're building a course-based business and want a shortcut to launching, Course Creation Warrior is worth a try. It's not a magic bullet, but for the price and ease of use, it's a solid tool for digital entrepreneurs. The creator, Garrett, has a history of successful launches, which builds trust in the product.
You've bought courses, followed YouTube tutorials, maybe even tried to build your own product, but all script and launch using AI to do all the hard work for you and using my overwhelming fast. So the 18 days, you path and your first, and for the past 15 years, I've been creating and launching products on Warrior Plus, one of the biggest marketplaces for digital products in the experience, and structure the upsells. Then I launched it on one own course. It's not complete beginner friends that will sell Course Creation Warrior. You're getting everything you tutorials, but from something you.
Thanks for watching. If you want more reviews like this, hit subscribe and check the description for more tools and deals.